Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use the decomposition tree in Power BI. Now the first thing I want you to do is come here, go to visualizations, and click on this icon. This is the decomposition tree, okay? And once this is loaded in, you can enlarge this. And now we need to choose fields. And if you don't know what this is, it basically helps you to go ahead and explain and drill down your data and explore how different factors contribute to a chosen metric. So we'll choose something to analyze. We'll take something like profit, for example. Basically something that is a metric like sales, revenue, profit. So I'll take profit here under analyze, and then we'll explain it using, let's say, market. So I'll drag market right here. So we're going to explain this by market. Press on the plus icon and we'll choose market. So here we go. We have the different markets and you can see how much of each market makes up of the overall sum of profit. And what we can also do is drill this through even further. So if I bring in country here to drill through, right? I'll add this as a drill through field. We can come here and select, for example, the different countries I would like to see. For example, Australia, I can toggle this one so we can see how much Australia in specific and the market Asia Pacific makes up the sum of profit, right? And it's really that easy and simple. You can easily go ahead and change this to city, for example, bring that in, can remove market, and you'll see all the different cities, okay, can keep going down. And it's really that easy.